Mae wastod rhywun chi moyn cael gair gyda wrth ymyl y sgwar. Fred Evans, Olympic silver medalist. Enjoying the boxing thus far?
Yeah, it's great. Good show, good setup. Looks like it's going to be a good night.
Yeah, always a good night in Newport.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
People recognise you from the 2012 Olympics, but they've not seen you boxing amateur, or certainly not professionally. Since then, you've last fought in 2014?
Yeah, somewhere around there. Had a little break, a few things going on, but I'm back now, back on track.
Have you signed professional contracts?
Yeah, I've turned over, I'm professional. Hopefully we make my debut on the 26th of May. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So just looking forward to that now and getting my head down.
Fighting in Wales?
Fighting in Wales, yeah, Cardiff.
Brilliant, looking forward to that. Where are you training at the moment?
St Joe's, Newport.
St Joe's, who's looking after you? Mr Borg?
Tony Borg, yeah. Tony Borg, yeah.
You're in for a tough time.
Yeah, definitely.
Hey, diolch yn fawr i ti.